Rapido 110 brand. Euro motor cash price. 40,800 pesos double clutch sporty speedometer new look basic info manufacturer, brand Euro motor model Rapido 110 unit class moped colors black, red, orange. Engine type 4-stroke single-cylinder bore and stroke displacement 110 cc compression ratio 9.0. 1 fuel system carburetor cooling system air transmission 4-speed frame type underbone front suspension telescopic fork rear suspension swing arm front wheel 2.50-17 rear wheel 2.75-17 front brakes disc brake rear brakes drum brake dimensions 1900x710x1130 m ground clearance 150 mm fuel capacity 12 L dry weight 100 kilograms performance max output 4.5 kilowatts 7,200 rpm max torque 7.6 Nm 4,000 rpm amortization circ 40,800 * min. DP 2,500 * 6 months 8,016 12 months 4,463 18 months 3,279 24 months 2,686 30 months 2,331 36 months 2,094 *. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. God bless to all hard.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.